Unique Power Technologies, one of the India's leading service providers of industrial automation and electronic repairs, trusted by 1,000+ customers. UPT workshops are home to some of the finest and most diverse engineering talent in India. We repair the old, new and obsolete, the major brands and the niche ones. Standard, emergency and on-site repairing with industrial ICU. Low cost, fast and reliable solutions. All repairs tested, all work warranted. By having open, long-lasting partnerships with our customers, we are able to consistently deliver the best possible services for them. We provide standard and emergency repairs, 24-hour call-out service, 12-month warranty and testing, on-site repair service with industrial ICU, competitive pricing promise, fast turnaround, pan-India and international services. We repair major brands like ABB, Allen Bradley, Baumüller,
KEB,
Siemens.
and many more.
If your industrial electronic parts face downtime, UPT is always at your service. Remember, made by anyone, repaired by us.